Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about ICP, analyzing the charts, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting as we go further into the month of March. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As we're looking at the overall markets going into Sunday morning, you're seeing some coins up quite a bit. At the same time, we're seeing some coins seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. And we're seeing a little bit of a pattern playing out. The coins that are seeing a little bit of a retracement right now were the ones that were pumping over the past 2 to 3 days, and the ones that started to pump right now are the ones that were lagging behind. So that's obviously nice to see. But I would love to know your thoughts down below on that, and let me know if you see the same thing. But if you're looking at ICP, it's up 6.7% on the daily time frame, which is obviously really nice to note. Looking at the price, currently sitting at $13.91, up 6.4% as mentioned in USD and Bitcoin comparative. Market cap approaching $6.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $223.3 million. But before we go into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So we're going to keep it brief, obviously talk about the price, what are some targets. So let me know if you guys enjoy these short, concise updates. I will continue to bring these out for you. So if we're looking at the dominance, obviously we're going to quickly run through the Bitcoin side of things. If we're looking at BTC dominance, not much has changed compared to the past, 4 to 5 days, to be quite frank with you. And honestly, this is a huge deal for altcoins. I think if this number was a little higher, if the index was a little higher, we would have seen altcoins not having this freedom to move up like they are doing right now, especially after seeing Bitcoin retest the 65 to 66k mark 2 to 3 times and having a massive rejection at those levels. So considering that factor, if the dominance index remains at these levels, is really a good thing for altcoins. But if we're looking at BTC, like I said, today as well, we saw Bitcoin going almost to $66,000, but once again rejection at that point, and we are seeing a little bit of a retracement since then. But I'll take that, the fact that Bitcoin is up $64,000 above that level, we will definitely take that. But it's extremely important for BTC to go back above 68,000 roughly, because of course that is that next major level of resistance, and if it's able to break out of that range, I am expecting new all-time highs. But now let's talk about our good old friend ICP. So good stuff happened today. Now, guys are probably wondering what exactly happened. That's what I'm here for. So obviously right now, let's zoom in. This right here is the daily time frame, and as of now, we still have yet to see the price of internet computer breaking out of that key resistance at $16. And I'm sure a lot of people are sick of hearing that exact target, but that is honestly that target that you need to keep in mind. But enough with that. Let's take a look at what has happened. So I'm sure if you're looking at it on the daily time frame, without me even telling you what happened, you can tell by now what exactly is going on. But if still you can't get it, I will talk to you about that. So of course you are seeing that the price of ICP has reclaimed above a key resistance, and we know the history of this key resistance prior to seeing this retracement. You've seen several different rejections, pretty much dating back to the beginning of the year, and we're almost like 3 months into the year, which is absolutely mind-boggling. But what you can see is we're seeing rejections, several rejections in the past, over the past few months, but finally once again you have seen ICP breaking past this key resistance. So could this time really be the time where we finally see that breakout? Obviously time will tell. Next major resistance it needs to get above is that $14.77. We're coming very close to that. If it's able to break out of here, I'm very confident that we could finally retest that mark and finally break out. So that is obviously what everyone wants to see. But let's kind of talk about how far that next resistance is. So about a 6.47% move from the current price level. So one thing I would recommend you guys to be taking a look very closely is Bitcoin's price. It's extremely important, because if Bitcoin decides to retest 60k support line, guess what's going to happen to this? We're going to get invalidated completely. So do pay very close attention to Bitcoin, but so far so good. But like I said, next target right now that should be in your books right now would be this $14.88 resistance. Extremely important resistance. And then I think we're off to the races, because let's face it, right after that key resistance is retested and we actually break out of there, in order for us to hit a new yearly high, it's only a 14.65% move towards the upside. So I'm sure people that understand this realize this, but I know there's a lot of comments coming in, Crypto ZX, we're getting tired of this, why is ICP not breaking, why are some of these meme coins breaking out? Come on guys, you can never compare a project like ICP to meme coins, even though meme coins are extremely massive. They just run off of hype, but when it comes to fundamentals and utility, there's basically zero to none, literally zero to none that they provide. And projects like these are the ones that are going to be here for the future, that could be here to battle it out, with the big chains like, Solana, Caspa is obviously one of the ones that is coming up, Ethereum, you guys get the idea. But obviously this is a long-term picture, right? Meme coins, short-term, I don't see meme coins, all of these ones that are launching right now, that will be here in the long haul. So, really understand that, but do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.